Welcome. In this tutorial I will show you how to install MinGW, a suite of tools that you can use in the command line for languages such as C. First, navigate to the website in the description or just Google MinGW. You will find it in SourceForge. Download the file and execute it. Proceed to select the install button. Once it is installed, select the continue button. Now you will be greeted with this screen. Mark the following tools for installation: the MinGW base tool and the MSYS base tool. Now select apply changes and it will install the packages. Navigate to your environment variables by searching it and edit the path variable. Make sure it has a path to the MinGW binary folder, which will be MinGW /bin/. Once you've added that, apply the changes and check in your command line using the command gcc. If it gives the following error, it has been installed correctly. Now you can proceed to install a development environment. In this tutorials I will be using Visual Studio Code because it is much easier than any other development environment. Install it for your platform and then you can proceed in developing C programs.